Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to show you how to do this granny square. It's the small one of my 3 tutorials on how to do these flowers. So I also have tutorials on how to do the middle one and also the big granny square. For the yarn, I have used a DK weight and a 4.5mm crochet hook. I am showing you from the beginning to the end, from the center, and then working my way out and eventually doing it into a square. And I am showing you the whole process. But if you think this is going too fast, you can always slow down the speed of the video in the settings below. And if you love granny squares as much as I do, then go ahead and check out the playlist where I show you all my granny squares. And I'm working on doing a tutorial of all granny squares in the world. So let's begin. First, we make a slip knot. And then we chain 2. So yarn over and pull through 2 times. And then in this first chain we did, we will now do 8 single crochet. So insert the hook in the first of these 2 chains and single crochet. That's 1. Then insert the hook in the same stitch again. That's 2. And again in the same stitch. 3 until you have 8 in total. And 8. So now you have 8 single crochet. Now you will finish it off with a slip stitch in this first stitch you did. So just insert the hook in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then we finished our first round. I will now change color, so I will cut the yarn, pull through, and then in some of the other stitches I will attach the new yarn. Whoops. I will just tie a knot to secure it. Then insert the hook and then pull up a loop. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we have this little yellow center, and then we have our chain 3 with the white one. This chain 3 now counts as the first double crochet. We will do another 3 double crochet into this same stitch. So just yarn over and insert the hook in the same stitch and double crochet. And again in the same stitch, another double crochet. And again another double crochet. So we now have what counts as 4 double crochet into the same stitch. Now we pull out the hook, leave a little loop here, and then we find the top chain over here. We insert the hook into this chain, and then we go and grab this loop, and then we pull through to make our first popcorn. Then we chain 2, 1, 2, and then we do the same thing in the next stitch. So first 4 double crochet in the next stitch. So just yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch and double crochet. That's 1. Make another 3. And that's 4. So now we have 4 double crochet right here. We will now pull out the hook and then find the first stitch over here. Insert the hook into this first stitch. Grab the loop. And then pull it through. So we now have 2 popcorn. You can see them coming out. It's so cute. Then we chain 2. And then repeat the same thing until you have 8 little popcorns. So just 4 double crochet and pull them together. 4 double crochet, pull them together until you are at the end again. And at the end of the round with your final popcorn, you will now chain 2. And then join with a slip stitch in the top chain over here. So you have your round complete. So now for the next round, you will do a slip stitch in the first chain space over here. Just reach out and do a slip stitch in this next space just to get over there. And then in this space, you'll now do 2 popcorn stitches. So first chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Then another 3 double crochet, so you have 4 in total. So that's 4. Then you take out the hook, reach into this top chain over here, and pull them together. And then chain 2, 1, 2, and then do another 4 double crochet into this same chain space. So just yarn over and insert the hook into this same chain space and do another 4 double crochet. And 4. Then you take out the hook, insert the hook in the first stitch, pull them together, and chain 2. So now you have 2 popcorns in the same chain space. Then you chain 2, then you find your next chain space after this next popcorn over here. Then you'll do 2 more popcorn stitches. So chain 4, then pull them together, then chain 2 and do another popcorn. Repeat this all the way around in each of these chain spaces. And you finish this round with a chain 2 and then a slip stitch in the top chain over here just to join the round. Then we can cut this yarn because now I want to change the color to the next color, which will be this light green color for me. And I will join it in any of these chain spaces. So just join the yarn with a knot in one of the chain spaces. Then insert the hook and pull up a loop and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these 4 chains counts as the first treble crochet. You will do another treble crochet, so just yarn over twice, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 2, and then another treble crochet, so yarn over twice, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through, then chain 3 to turn, 1, 2, 3. That is the corner space, these 3 chains. And then another 3 treble crochet. So yarn over twice. Insert the hook in the same space. And finish your treble crochet. And again, yarn over twice. Insert in the same space and finish your treble crochet. And another one. So now you have your first corner. Now you have this next space over here. To go over there, you will just chain 1. And then in this next space, you will work 3 double crochet. So yarn over and do 3 double crochet into this next space. Then chain 1. Find your next space and do 3 half double crochet. So yarn over, insert. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all of them. And that's 1 half double crochet. Do another 2 until you have 3 half double crochet. And then in the next space, just chain 1 in between before you go to the next space. And then 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 double crochet. And then we want to do another corner. So in this next space, remember, just chain 1 before you go there. And then in this next space, you do 3 triple crochet, then chain 3 and another 3 triple crochet. And then you make it down the other edge, just like you did over here. So you chain 1 before you go to the next chain space. You do 3 double crochet, then chain 1, then 3 half double crochet, then chain 1, and then 3 double crochet. You will just repeat this for the next 3 corners, and then you are back here. And when you make it to the other end, you will join with a slip stitch in the top chain you did at the beginning of the round. Then you can cut the yarn, pull the loop through, and you're done with your little popcorn square. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!